Hey there, guys. Chet here. Today I'm going to show you how to use Brevo Chat on your website. If you want your visitors to message you instantly, ask questions, or get support without leaving your site, Brevo's chat widget is a great tool to add. But before we begin, if you're new to Brevo, you can get 50% off of the starter and business plans for your first 3 months using the link below. You'll get access to my complete Brevo course, which is where I teach you everything you need to know. I'll hold your hand. We'll do it step by step. Let's get started. First, log into your Brevo account. Look at the top right corner of your dashboard and click on the settings icon. This opens all of your account settings. Now scroll down until you see the conversation section. Under this section, click on inbox. When you do, the panel on the right will show all of the options related to your chat features. At the top of this page, you'll see the chat widget, and next to it, there is a setup button. Click on setup. After clicking it, you will see another button appear called Install Chat Widget. Click on it to go ahead. Brevo will now take you to a page that has 3 tabs. These tabs are Customization, Profile, and Installation. We'll move through each one of them step by step. The Customization tab is where you can choose the language of your chat widget, the color theme, the icon style, and the position where the chat bubble appears on your website. You can match it with your brand colors and your site layout. Once you're happy with your choices, click Continue. Next is the Profile tab, which is where you set up the details of the person visitors see when they open the chat. Add a display name, write a short title, and upload a photo if you want. That will make the chat feel more personal and friendly. When everything looks great, click Continue once again. Now you'll reach the Installation tab where Brevo asks you how you want to install the chat widget. You'll see several options such as WordPress, WooCommerce, Google Tag Manager, and a manual option. For this tutorial, choose the manual option. Click the radio button next to it, then click Continue. Now you see the next page. Brevo will generate a JavaScript code snippet for you. No need to have to be able to write in code. This is the code that displays on the chat widget on your site. Copy the entire code. Now, go back to your website's backend or CMS. Open the header area of your site and paste the code there. Make sure you save your changes. Once the code is in the header, the chat widget will load on every page of your website. After adding the code, return to Brevo. You'll see a confirmation message letting you know the chat widget is now active and connected. From here, you can customize your chat even more by adjusting the colors, welcome messages, business hours, and agent profiles inside the chat widget settings. Once you finish all of your customization, simply save your settings. Your Brevo chat widget is now live and ready for visitors to use. Now, look, if you want to start using Brevo today, use the link below. You get 50% off of your first 3 months. And if this tutorial helped you at all, feel free to like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.